In the 1920s, young women painted watch dials with glowing paint. Their bosses told them to lick their brushes to keep the tips sharp. What they didn't know would kill them in the most horrific way imaginable. The paint contained radium, pure radioactive poison. These women literally glowed in the dark when they walked home from work. They thought it was magical, but their bodies were rotting from the inside. Their jawbones crumbled into powder. Teeth fell out in bloody chunks. Some women's bones snapped during simple X-rays. The company executives knew the truth. They wore lead shields and used metal tongs when handling radium, but they told the workers it was completely safe. When women started dying, the company claimed they had syphilis to destroy their reputations. Grace Fryer fought back with a lawsuit that changed everything. The most chilling part, nearly 100 years later, some of these women's bodies are still so radioactive they're buried in lead-lined coffins. The Radium Girls paid the ultimate price for corporate greed.